Hello, welcome to Charlie's Garage. Today what I wanted to show you guys was a water truck that we're currently working on. Right now we have one water truck. It's a very large John Deere, but if anything breaks on it, we're kind of in a bad spot, because if you take a look right here, that's the landfill mound. So you can imagine that when a bunch of heavy equipment is running up and down on it, and you can see one of the tippers up there in the air right now dumping a trailer, but it becomes a big dust cloud and it's not safe. It lowers visibility, it lowers the air quality in the area. The county can fine us if it gets too dusty out here. So we rely on the water trucks to put down a layer of water so that we keep our dust under control out here at the work site. And that's what most of these kind of trucks do at construction sites. So we're looking at this one right here. It's a fairly older truck, and it's definitely seen better days. So this is, if I remember correctly, a 2007 Kenworth water truck. This water truck, though, you know, it's kind of beat up, but it runs over some rough stuff. And you can see right here the distribution nozzles on the front, and then you come around to the side, you see the tank that's on it. So this is going to be a big project for us. We want to get this thing up and running as our backup water truck, so that if the John Deere one ever does have any problems, that we have something else we can put out there and start putting water down. The two primary problems we're having with this one is that the suspension is shot on it. So we got a new set of leaf springs, a new suspension for it, and the water tank itself. If you come around here to the back of it, you can see what the rust has done to the tank, right? This tank is rusted out. You poke it with something like a screwdriver, probably go right through it at this point. So we have a new tank that we are going to be putting on it, which is right over here. So in addition to doing the suspension work, we're also going to have to mount this new tank. And this new tank isn't stock. It's not the exact same tank over here that we're taking off. So there's going to have to be some modifications done to it. We're going to have to do quite a bit of work. So that's the big project we're working on right now, is getting our secondary backup support water truck up and running so that it can provide support for the big John Deere water truck. Another project that we just finished to tell you guys about right here is our Peterbilt roll-off truck. The Peterbilt roll-off truck is designed to pick up the large containers. So you can see that the back of this truck is set up to pick up those containers that you dump trash in and load it up onto the back of this thing, just like it's a trailer. Take it to a dump and dump the load, right? So we just put a brand new cylinder, which you can see right here, that was leaking very badly. And we're ready to see if this thing's ready to go. So we got it all put back together. Now it's just ready to get its job done. So those are two of the big projects we have right now. That we just finished one of them. We're just getting ready to start the water truck. So if you guys have any questions about water trucks and roll-off trucks, feel free to ask. If there's any other information you would like to learn about the landfill, free to ask. I'm still trying to figure out how to make content for this channel from what I do out here, and I'm open to suggestions. So thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you guys later.